Hello, I'm John Dowler with Hawkeye Industries. We sell Duratec, Aquabuff, and Styrosafe. Today we're here to talk about one of our best products, the Duratec Vinylester Primer. This versatile, high-performance primer is used for marine construction for hull sealing and fairing, and also provides a great pattern surface. Some other uses for the Vinylester Primer are mold resurfacing, for surfacing vacuum fairing molds, for patterns that are going to be autoclaved at high temperatures, as a face coat on epoxy molds, as a porosity-free alternative to sanding gel coat, particularly for parts that are going to be coated with a dark color, and as an in-mold primer for epoxy laminate parts. The characteristics that make the Vinylester Primer uniquely successful are strength, toughness, and heat tolerance. The Vinylester Primer has a heat tolerance of 285 degrees. It can be polished to 80% gloss, and it will transfer that gloss to tooling gel coat. It's strong, durable, and crack resistant. These attributes provide great print blocking. In fact, the Duratec Vinylester Primer exceeds the 1,000-hour boiling water test. It will protect laminate from moisture by providing a stout osmosis barrier. The Vinylester Primer is sold in gallons, 5s, and in drums. We sell the primer in white, gray, and black. For more information about our recommended uses and procedures, please see our application guides and product data sheets at www.duratec1.com. The Vinylester Primer can be purchased from our authorized distributors. For more information about the location of your nearest distributor, please see the Distributor tab on the website. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please email info@hawkeyein.com.